Emirates' latest Airbus A350 makes historic debut in Colombo. Emirates' brand new Airbus A350 touched down at Bandar Naik International Airport for the first time, marking a significant milestone in the airline's operation in Sri Lanka. The arrival of the state-of-the-art aircraft highlights Emirates' commitment to enhancing connectivity and passenger experience on the Colombo route. Emirates currently operates 4 daily flights to Colombo with the Airbus A350 deployed 6 times a week. The airline first introduced its A350 into the service on 4th of January 2025 with an inaugural flight to Edinburgh, showcasing its latest advancements in efficiency and passenger comfort.